Hello everyone, today I will present you a tutorial with general information about React Native. What is React Native and what does it do? React Native is an open source mobile application framework developed by Facebook. It's used to develop performance applications quickly on mobile platforms such as iOS and Android using JavaScript and React technologies. React Native differs from traditional mobile application development methods in that it allows for development of applications using the same codebase for both iOS and Android platforms, rather than requiring separate development for each platform. This makes the mobile application development process faster and more efficient. React Native allows for the use of web technologies in mobile applications and supports the use of many components commonly used in both web and mobile applications. Therefore, applications developed with React Native offer a similar experience on both web and mobile platforms. Why is React Native preferred for mobile app development? React Native is preferred for mobile application development for several reasons. Rapid development. React Native provides a faster development process compared to traditional mobile application development methods. Using the same codebase for both iOS and Android platforms reduces the time and effort required to develop applications. Technology. React Native enables mobile application development using web technologies. This allows web developers to easily learn React Native and develop mobile applications. Performance. React Native is designed to enhance the performance of mobile applications. This is crucial for mobile platforms where users expect applications to run quickly and smoothly. Reusable components. React Native supports the use of many components commonly used in both web and mobile applications. This allows developers to quickly develop applications and prevent code repetition using reusable components. User experience. React Native is designed to enhance the mobile application user experience. By creating the application interface directly with the customized components of the mobile platform, React Native enhances the user experience of the application. As a result of these reasons, many large companies are developing their mobile application using React Native. These companies include Facebook, Instagram, Airbnb, Walmart, and many more. Who and when developed React Native? React Native was developed by Facebook and was first introduced at Facebook's F8 conference in 2015. Facebook created React Native to allow the React library, which was originally used for web applications, to also be used for mobile applications. React Native uses JavaScript and React technologies to enable the development of mobile applications on a common codebase for both iOS and Android platforms. React Native being open source has made it easier for developers to build applications, and it has become a popular tool for mobile application development. What is the purpose of React Native and why was it needed? React Native is an open source mobile application framework developed by Facebook. Its goal to provide convenience in developing performant and user-friendly applications for different mobile platforms such as iOS and Android using the same codebase. React Native offers a different approach to developing mobile applications. It's based on React.js library, which is used for web applications. Therefore, learning React Native is easier for web developers. React Native is important for speeding up the mobile application development process. Traditionally, when developing applications for different mobile platforms, developers have to use different programming languages, tools, and libraries. This can lead to longer development time, increases cost, and higher likelihood of making mistakes. React Native solves this problem by allowing the application to be made compatible with different mobile platforms using a single codebase. Furthermore, React Native is optimized to provide a fast user experience. It works in harmony with the hardware of mobile devices, allowing applications to run quickly and smoothly. Therefore, applications developed with React Native are faster, more efficient, and have better performance compared to traditional mobile application development methods. What kind of problems does React Native solve in the mobile app development process? React Native eliminates the need to write separate code for different platforms. With React Native, you can create applications that work on both iOS and Android platforms by writing code once. It minimizes performance issues. React Native allows applications to directly access platform features, providing a performance advantage. It speeds up the development process. React Native allows for quick and easy application development using pre-written components. It helps in developing less costly mobile applications. By developing applications that work on different platforms using a single codebase, you can reduce costs. What features does React Native provide in the development process? Enables developing applications that work on different platforms with a single codebase. Provides performance advantages by allowing applications to direct access platform features. High reusability of code. Allows for repeat and easy application development by using pre-written components. Provides a fast and live application development experience. You can see changes live, test them instantly, and get feedback. Strong community support. React Native is supported by a large community and it's continuously being developed. Offers easy installation and usage. It's easy to install and allows for quick development. What prerequisites are important to know before using React Native? Before using React Native, it's important to have knowledge of the following prerequisites. Basic JavaScript knowledge. React Native is a JavaScript-based technology. So having a basic understanding of JavaScript is important. React knowledge. React Native is a technology based on React. So having knowledge of React components and the React lifecycle is important. Mobile app development knowledge. React Native is a technology used in the mobile app development process. So having a general understanding of mobile app development is important. API and data source knowledge. Mobile apps are often integrated with APIs and data sources. So having knowledge of APIs and data sources is important. Operating system differences. React Native is a technology that can be used in the app development process for different mobile operating systems. So understanding the different features and limitations of different operating systems is important. Which programming languages and technologies can be used with React Native? Since React Native is a JavaScript-based library, there is no need to use any programming language other than JavaScript. However, some technologies that you can use with React Native include JSX. React Native is just JSX, which is a combination of JavaScript and XML, which means Extendable Markup Language syntax. Redux. Redux is a JavaScript library used for data management in React Native applications. Firebase is a mobile and web application development platform used in React Native applications. React Navigation is a library used to provide navigation functionality in React Native applications. Expo is a tool used to repeatedly develop React Native applications. NativeBase is a user interface library used in React Native applications. What platforms can React Native run on? Which mobile operating system is it compatible with? React Native can be used to develop applications for iOS and Android mobile operating systems. It offers ready-made components and APIs for these operating systems. React Native can also be used for web applications. A specialized library such as React Native Web can be used for web applications. React Native can run on iOS 9.0 or newer versions for the iOS operating system, and API level 16 or newer versions for the Android operating system. This ensures that most applications developed with React Native are compatible with most iPhone and Android devices. How to install React Native? What should be considered during installation? First, make sure you have Node.js and npm Node Package Manager installed on your computer. You can download them from the official Node.js website. Install the React Native command line interface CLI using npm by running the following command in your terminal. npm install 3g React Native CLI. Create a React Native project by running the following command. npx React Native init your project name. Change the directory to the project directory by running cd again your project name. Finally, start the project by running React Native Run Android or React Native Run iOS, depending on the platform you want to run the app on. During the installation process, make sure you follow the instructions carefully and that your system meets the minimum requirements. For example, make sure you have the required SDKs and build tools installed for the platforms you want to develop for. What are the popular apps developed with React Native? Many popular mobile applications have been developed using React Native. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Skype, Bloomberg, Walmart, Tesla, Pinterest, Uber Eats, SoundCloud, Push, Wix, etc. All of these applications have chosen React Native to provide a user-friendly interface and high performance. Therefore, React Native is one of the most popular tools in mobile application development today. How to develop a sample React Native app? I will show you an example of a simple application that we can write when we first get started with React Native. Installation of React Native and Expo CLI before creating React Native application. Make sure that React Native and Expo CLI are installed. You can use the following commands to complete the installation. npm install 3g React Native CLI, npm install 3g Expo CLI. Creating a project. To create a project, use the following commands. Expo init your project name, cd again your project name. Application development. React Native provides many pre-built components that can make your job easier during application development. First, open the app.js file and enter the following code. This code will display a simple Hello React Native message on the screen. Changing the application view. You can use style properties to change the application's view. For example, to change the background color of the application, add the background color property to the style attribute. Testing the application. You can use the following command to test the application. npm start. This will start Expo CLI and provide a QR code to run the application on a local simulator or a real device. You can scan the QR code using a QR code scanner. With these simple steps, you can create a mobile application using React Native. You can add and customize different components to further develop your application. How to speed up the mobile app development process using React Native? What can be said about the future of React Native? To speed up the mobile app development process using React Native, the following methods can be applied. Firstly, it is possible to write code using the libraries and components provided by React Native. This increases the reusability of the code and saves time in the development process. The hot reloading feature of React Native allows instant changes to be seen on the device the app is running on. This speeds up the development process and makes live previews of the app easier. Using reusable components increases the speed of the development process and improves the readability of the code. An important point is to plan and design the app well in advance. This prevents time loss in the development process and speeds it up. Regarding the future of React Native, React Native's popularity is still increasing and new versions and features are regularly released. React Native is a tool that facilitates code sharing among platforms like iOS and Android. Therefore, it could maintain its popularity in the coming years with this feature. Furthermore, considering that Facebook continues to invest in the team behind React Native and provides tools and resources that make it easier for developers to use, the future of React Native could be bright. Finally, as other technologies and platforms also develop, React Native will need to adapt to these developments. However, for now, React Native is a powerful tool that speeds up and facilitates the mobile app development process. That's all I have to say. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for listening.